This channel hit YouTube monetization in just one day, but I didn't do it the traditional way. In fact, what I'm about to show you could completely change how you think about growing your channel. Most people spend months, or even years, grinding for monetization, but I found a shortcut that barely anyone knows about, and it worked faster than I expected. I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step, but here's the catch. This method isn't what you think it is. Stick around, because what I'm about to reveal might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, let me take you back to where it all started. Picture this. It's 3 a.m., I'm surrounded by empty coffee cups, and I'm staring at my YouTube analytics. 0 subscribers, 0 watch hours. Sound familiar? I'd been grinding for months, uploading video after video, but nothing was working. I was ready to give up, but then, as I was scrolling through Twitch, something clicked. I had an idea so crazy, it just might work. But before I reveal what that idea was, let's talk about why the traditional methods weren't working for me, or for most creators. Now, raise your hand if you've ever heard this advice. Just create great content, and the viewers will come. Sounds good, right? But here's the problem. It's not the whole story. Let's break down the YouTube monetization requirements. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Seems simple enough, but did you know that only about 3% of YouTube channels ever reach these goals? That's right, 97% of channels never see a dime from YouTube ads. Why is it so hard? Well, there are a few reasons. 1. Oversaturation. There are over 37 million YouTube channels out there. Standing out is tough. 2. The algorithm. YouTube's algorithm favors established channels, making it harder for newcomers. 3. Time investment. Creating high-quality content takes time that most of us don't have. So, what's a new creator to do? That's where my crazy 3 a.m. idea comes in. Here's what I did. When a major streamer went live on Twitch, I started a YouTube live stream at the same time. But here's the kicker. I wasn't just rebroadcasting their content. I was creating a reaction stream. Why does this work? Viewers who can't access Twitch often turn to YouTube to find streams. 2. By adding my own commentary and reactions, I was creating original content in YouTube's eyes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this just stealing content? It's a valid question. But first, let me walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step. Step 1. Choose your streamer. I looked for a streamer who was about to go live and had a large following. In my case, I chose Ilyas El Malki. Step 2. Set up your stream. I quickly set up a YouTube live stream with a title like Reacting to Ilyas El Malki's biggest stream yet. Step 3. The reaction. As soon as the Twitch stream started, I began my YouTube stream. But here's the crucial part. I wasn't just silently watching. I was actively commenting, reacting, and engaging with the content. Step 4. Engage with your audience. As viewers started trickling in, I made sure to interact with them in the chat. This boosted my engagement metrics. Step 5. Strategic breaks. Every 15 to 20 minutes, I'd pause the Twitch stream and talk directly to my audience. This helped YouTube recognize my stream as original content. Within hours, my viewer count was skyrocketing. By the end of the stream, I had hit both the subscriber and watch hour requirements for monetization. What do you think of this method? Would you try it? What other growth hacks have you used? If you found this video valuable, controversial, or just plain interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more unfiltered YouTube growth strategies.